Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. I recently took microbiology and thought how fascinating that class is. I learned a lot about microbes and how they behave in certain temperatures. After taking that class, I washed my hands with soap and water way more than I did before, since that is the most effective way at getting rid of microbes like bacteria and viruses. So in this video, I decorated sugar cookies inspired by microbes grown on a Petri dish. If you're a fan of science or know someone that is, they would probably enjoy these cookies. So what science topic do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. I hope that you will stay healthy, safe, and have a relaxing spring. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.